What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix USB connected disconnected problem in your device Samsung A04s. So if you want to fix this problem, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix USB connected disconnected problem in your device Samsung A04s.